Hey guys, Covered in Style here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting ready with me for the couch. Of course, it's still quarantine, but I wanted to bring you a video of my step-by-step and how I do my makeup every day. And as you can see, this Badesu spray is one of my favorites. Kind of ran out here. I use it to the last drop, and that's just me. Do you? Got a new bottle. Love this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. It has a hyaluronic acid, so it really leaves my face super plump all day. And it's a gel formula, so it's pretty lightweight. And I wear this pretty much every day. I really want to say thank you so much for everybody in the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this video. I just wanted to do something that's me, that's natural, in my bathroom where I get ready every day, and just highlighting some cool products that I use. I really love this Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Cosmetics. I just started using their products, and this primer is really tacky, and I love that about it. It really helps my makeup stick. I also tried this blur stick that they have with their company, and it is like powder-filled pocket technology that is supposed to fill the pores and leave you a really smooth canvas. So I've been really liking it. I'm getting used to it. You have to warm it up, and it's really hard to let it melt into the skin, so I'm still trying to figure that out, but it has been making my makeup look really flawless. Now this Charlotte Tilbury color corrector that I've just purchased, it's really creamy and super easy to blend out. I wanted to use my finger here because I really wanted to see how easy it was to blend out, and it was super easy. Of course, afterwards I took my beauty sponge and really made sure that I blended it out completely, and then I set it with a little bit of setting powder to just really create an even surface for my foundation. So we're using the Fenty Pro Filter Setting Powder here in the color Honey, and I love my Fenty product. Yes, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation in the color Coconut. I am a new fan of this for my daily, everyday use because I think it was like $8 on Amazon, and it really does give me a nice finish. It is very matte and it lasts all day. So if you're like me and you need something that's just a good product at a cheap price for every day during this quarantine that you can just use up, this is the one to go with. I do a little bit of setting spray before I blend it out just to help it stay on all day. It's a little trick I've learned. So for our eyebrows, we're going to go back to the Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow pomade in the color dark brown. It's definitely an oldie but goodie. And we're just going for a sort of contoured but like natural eyebrow today. And then we're going to just clean it up a little bit just to not make it look so just fresh out of bed. So I don't know if a lot of you know about this product, but Anastasia Beverly Hills has this pro pencil in 3 colors, and this is the darkest shade. And it is meant to conceal, it's meant to hide blemishes or give you a little bit of a highlight boost. I just kind of highlight underneath my eyebrows and clean it up because it's thick enough to cover up your hair. So it's been working really cool, and it's a product that I would say we don't really use, but makes my process of doing my makeup so much quicker. Now this part is really crucial to me getting my makeup to look very, photo ready and very professional. It also helps me to attain and retain the highlight underneath my eyes while I do the rest of my makeup. And it really just creates that natural contour on the nose, so you don't have to use so much product to get that, snatch nozzle. I'm always trying to attain a really flawless finish to my makeup, so whenever I put products on and it looks like I'm gonna have a harsh line, I just take a clean brush and I just wipe away or blend out the edges. So when I'm doing my makeup at home, I'm trying to use the least amount of products as possible. So here we're gonna take the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer in the color Mocha Mami, which is their deepest shade, and we're just going to contour the face, but we're also gonna use it as an eyeshadow today. So I take it and I just add that as my transition color. And then I'm going to take it and run it down my nose and into my eyebrows to create that natural contour of the nose. But also I'm going to use it to contour my nose and my face as well. So we're just going for a natural brown chocolatey smoky eye today. I wanted to keep it really natural, but sort of glam too. I mean, you want to look cute when you're on quarantine with your man on a couch. So we're going to take the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and we're going to take that darkest shade, the brown shade, which really comes out as like a coppery sort of tone on me, which I really love, so it matches really well with this Mocha Mami. And you just blend the two together. I'm just completely covering the lid, and then I'm going to take the brush that I used for the Mocha Mami, and I'm just going to marry the two together. Just blend them together. Now just remember, when it comes time to take that powder off, when you're done with your eye makeup, make sure you're using a stippling motion and you really just let that powder sink into your skin and use it all over your face. That is product we don't want to just swipe away. So stipple, stipple, stipple. And then I just use this E.L.F. Retractable black eyeliner and just line the bottom of my waterline just to kind of give it more of a smoky vibe. And then just go ahead with that Mocha Mami again and buff out the bottom of my waterline.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now when it comes to these shimmery shadows, you have to remember, if you add a little bit of liquid to it, you're going to get more of that color payoff and really have that shine through and really give you a little bit of a metallic-y look too. So I do use both of these bronzers. I start with the Coco Nati, and then if I need a little bit of a darker, deeper tone, then I will go for the Mocha Mami and really just deepen out that contour. So I just go at the chin, I go down the nose, I go around the forehead, and then my cheeks. Now this is my last effort to try to snatch my face together. Usually my bronzer just overruns my side of my cheek, so I'll just run a little bit of translucent powder or whatever setting powder that I'm using that day and line the bottom of my cheekbone just to kind of give that more of a definition look, and it really just makes it look so professional. Here's the Patrick Ta Monochromatic Moment blush. It has a little shimmer to it, so I like to use this because I don't really need to use a highlighter if I didn't want to. But of course, I'm going to. A little Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And back to our Fenty. We have the Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey here. I'm just going to add a little bit. Not going too crazy. We're just going to the couch. But I do want to bring a little sun glow inside. Lashes. And then on the lips, we're going to go with our Black-owned business, the Lip Bar. They have really, really great lip products, and they're cruelty-free and vegan. And they have a lot of great shades. And I've been using them for a couple years, but the formula is great and it lasts all day. And this is what we did to complete the look.